Hey, Bubba.
Look, I'm one man. I am one man that would bring this city together. If this Red Sox team could bond all of us, Italian, Irish, anybody,
Mexican.
together, it's a great thing. I think the Red Sox, besides the Celtics, are the best thing to ever happen.
Yeah, and what about the Bruins, too?
Boston, besides Detroit, will never leave you, Detroit. Boston.
Bubba, what do you think of Paris Hilton going to jail?
I think she's fine. Ask what I think about your outfit. Go ahead.
Say it again.
What did I think about your outfit?
Hey, I skipped work today.
So did I.
To go to the game.
Open on the right. I bleed Boston blood. I love you.
What?
I love you.
So, Bubba, what do you think of my outfit?
Not so much.
It's okay, he's a fancy lad.
I'll take shit from a Detroit fan.
Great expectations, man. Great
If I want to
expectations.
shit on my Boston fan, I will never would do that because you're a Detroit fan standing up. You're shaking me off, guy. I'm not feeling sick. I'm coming for you. Don't shake me off like a fucking elite.
Bubba, I love you!
I'll see you at the bar later, kid.